Jesus before Pilate. Jesus was taken before the high council, known as the Sanhedrin. They questioned him harshly about his teachings and asked him if he were the Son of God. "Yes, it is as you say," replied Jesus. The council accused Jesus of blasphemy and took him to the Roman governor, Pontius Pilate. Pilate also asked Jesus if he were the king of the Jews. Again, Jesus replied, "Yes, it is as you say." The Sanhedrin demanded that Jesus be put to death, but Pilate could see no reason for such harshness. At that time, it was the custom for one prisoner to be released during the Passover festival. Jesus and a vicious criminal called Barabbas were the only prisoners. When Pilate asked whom he should release, the crowd called for Barabbas. Pilate tried to reason with the council and the crowd, but they demanded Jesus' death so strongly that at last he gave in to them. Jesus was led away to be crucified.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.